In this video, I'm going to show you how to play YouTube video in background on Poco C75. There are two methods. The first one is buy the YouTube Premium and the second one is open the Play Store. Install this application in your device. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Now here you will see the three lines in the corner. Tap on it. Go in settings. Scroll down. Go in useful features. Tap on background play. Tap on. Now let's play the video on YouTube. I will simply open the YouTube. Now let's play any song. Now I will simply go back to home. As you can see, YouTube is running in the background. So this is how you can play YouTube in background on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.